Good day to you. So today I have brought a new video. Today we are talking about some extensions that are important for those who do VS Code. So let's see what they are in this video.
First one, Live Server. Live Server is a Versus Code extension that lets developers preview their work in real time. Instead of having to manually refresh the browser every time you make changes, it updates automatically, which saves a lot of time, especially in bigger projects. Second one, CSS Peek. CSS Peek is a Versus Code extension that makes working with HTML and CSS simpler. It lets you easily jump to CSS definitions and selectors, so you can quickly find and edit styles without digging through files. Features like Go to Definition and Peek make it much faster to navigate your code. Third one, Bracket Pair Color DLW. Bracket Pair Color DLW in Versus Code helps you spot matching brackets with colors. It makes your code easier to read and helps reduce errors, especially in complex code, by letting you easily follow nested structures and avoid mismatched brackets. Fourth one, JavaScript, ES6. JavaScript has evolved significantly over the years. With the introduction of ECMAScript 6, ES6, developers gained access to a host of new features and improvements that have transformed the way JavaScript code is written and maintained. These features making ES6 a must-know for modern web developers. Fifth one, Prettier. Prettier ensures your code has a consistent style across your entire project. It ignores how you originally formatted the code, then reprints it using its own rules, keeping things neat and wrapping lines when needed, all without changing how the code works. Last one, Relative Path. Relative paths are commonly used in programming and web development when referencing files within a project. They allow for easier portability, as the same code can be executed in different environments without needing to change the absolute path references. So try using this. See you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Goodbye.